guys? It is Monday. I'm so glad it's Monday. We got another work week ahead of us with a lot of work. Just got in the new Stinger HEIGH10 right here with the Chevy dash kits, okay? This is an amazing product here. We saw this a few weeks ago, and we've been waiting for these things to come in, actually, guys, you know? So in the package here, you got the interface for the Chevy. Okay, has your steering wheel controls there. Looks like they give you the backup camera retention and the satellite antenna retention too. Also, looks like a flush mount here, which is pretty long. We're probably gonna, yeah, it's got two of them in there, so we'll see. But this is the most important part of this kit right here, guys, okay? This will integrate with the Chevy HEIGH10 perfectly in your Chevy Silverados right there.
Nice. All right.
Perfect. So we've been waiting for these for a while, and we finally got them in. We got two of them in here, okay? So you guys want one? Hit up Mark here. And we're good.
All right, guys. You just heard it. The Stinger HEIGH10 kits for 2014 to 18 are in stock. Here we go.